Hello YouTube, this is Vaughn2480. I'm here with a 4th of July nail tutorial. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd. And since July 4th will be on Thursday, I'm going to try to get this video uploaded on Wednesday, July 3rd. But this is how my nails are looking. I still have short nails, as I said in one of my previous uploads. But I'm just showing you all some cool little nail ideas you can do. If your nails are short, you don't have to stop polishing them or doing designs on them. You still can look cute even with short nails. So I'm going to talk about what I used and what I did on my nails. If you watched my previous nail video, I talked about this video. I will include this in the cards above. If you missed this video, I talked about this Vita gel that I put on my nails as like a base coat to strengthen them. So that's my base coat. And after I did that, I used 3 polishes and I polished my nails with them. I used this blue by Sally Hansen, Hard as Nails, Extreme Wear. And the name of it is Blue It. I'm not sure if they still sell this polish in the store. But if you can't find it, I'm pretty sure on eBay or Amazon you probably can find it. Because I've had this polish for a while. The next polish I used is by Sinful Shine, and I talked about this in my previous video. And it's by the Carly Signature Collection. You can find this at Walmart. I don't know when I purchased this, but I'm pretty sure you still can find it in stores. And the next polish I use is another Sally Hansen polish, Complete Salon Manicure. And the name of this is Red My Lips, $4.70. Not sure if they still sell this polish or not as well. You can check your local Walgreens, Walmart, Rite Aid, places like that, Target. They may still sell this in the store, not sure. But those are the 3 colors that I used on my fingernails. And then for my stamping polishes, I just use Moon Day de Ones. I use number 1 white. I use Moon Day de Ones 32 reddish. And I use my Bundle Monster Creative Art Polish, and the name of it is Royal Blue. And as you probably know, if you're into nail stamping and you watch my nail videos, that Bundle Monster has changed their name to Maniology. So you could find this on maniology.com, and you can find this on moondaydeones.com. And it is coming from Mexico, so these do take a while. Now, for the stamping plates, I use 4 stamping plates. On my pinky, I use this right here. And I'll tell you what I did for my middle finger in a minute. And then that was a Winstonia plate, W107. And then for this finger, my pointer finger, I'm trying to zoom in so y'all can see. Get in the camera. I use this image right here. And that's from a Born Pretty plate, number 11. You can find this on bornprettystore.com. And for my pointer finger, I use these stars from Pleen 44. right there. And for my thumb, I use my Winstonia plate, American Pride, and I use that image right there. The thumb didn't come out as good to me, so hopefully my thumb on my right hand will. But I'm going to show you all what I did, so stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you what I did to my middle finger real quick. And I am going to speed this up because I don't want this video to be too long. But I'm going to show you what I did first before I speed up the video. I used two colors. I used the blue and that white. These are the two colors that I used. Okay. And what I did, and it's easier. I know my other video I kind of used a brush to like do a French, but sometimes it's better to use the nail polish brush. And what I'm going to do is kind of just place the polish like this. Oh, that was out of frame. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just gonna do it like kind of take the brush at an angle and just swipe it onto your nail like that. That's how you do that. Okay, everyone, as you were seeing that I was having some difficulty, but this turned out much better on the right hand than the left. But it's okay, I'm going to keep it. And as you saw, that was not the best idea to do that first and do my stamping. So I'm going to have to go back and do this and polish it and let it dry and then come back and let y'all see what I did to this finger. But I'm getting ready to clean up around my hands, and I will do this again off camera, let it dry, and I'll be back. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna do this middle finger. I'm using some tape. I can't think of the name of it right now. Some striping tape, and I'm just gonna cut a piece. And for my top coat, I'm just gonna put this on, polish to gel so it can hold my design, because I will be going somewhere on the 4th of July, and sometimes I help wash dishes and I don't want my nails to get ruined. But in the morning I will put this on top of it, just only reason why I'm putting it on in the morning, just to make sure that the polish is thoroughly dry. Because if you're gonna put this on top of regular nail polish after you polish your nails, then you need to make sure that the regular nail polish is thoroughly dry. Or you could also just mix it, put a couple of drops of this and the polish together and mix it together, but I didn't do that. So just stay tuned for pictures. I thank you all for watching. Take care and happy 4th of July. Hope you have a fantastic day.